name is Carolyn Service with o2bstampin.com. Today I wanted to show you how to make this cute little flip card using the Circle Thinlit die. So let's get started. So the Circle Thinlit die looks like this, and then it has these extra pieces also that go with it. So you get a lot for your money with this little set. So today we're actually going to use two of the pieces, and we are going to use our big shot. You start with a piece of cardstock that is 8.5 by 5.5, and the way that you are going to do this is on this side of your Circle Thinlits there's a little edge, so you want to turn that over, and you're going to weave this cardstock through this piece, and so that your paper is actually over this bar. Okay, then you're going to come through this side and you're going to line it up with the edge here. Okay, then I'm going to put it on my magnetic platform, and I should have lined this up actually. Let's do it this way. There we go. And I'm going to put my cutting pad on the top. So there's a cutting pad underneath it, and then the cardstock, then the circle framelit with this piece of cardstock going over the bar and this piece going under the bar. Oh, need to scoot that up. Let me get that out of the way. Okay, that's better. This piece of the cardstock going over this bar and this piece of the cardstock going under the bar, and then the other cutting pad on top, my magnetic platform underneath. And I put that through my big shot. And the reason that we put this piece over the bar is because if it was under, it would cut it off. And what you can do with this when you have it over the bar is you can make an extension. So I'll show you on here. So this would be what the normal card would look like, go like so, but there's not really a lot of place to write. So when you put that under the bar, you have this extended piece. And the nice thing about that as well is that it automatically makes your score line for you. I think you can see that. Okay, so you're going to actually flip the farthest left side of your cardstock back. Get this out of the way. And then you're going to flip it forward like so. You're going to use your bone folder. And then this piece comes forward. Okay, and there's the bare bones of your card. Okay, so this goes over. All right. Okay, so next we are going to take this piece, again, our magnetic platform, cutting pad, cardstock, scallop Thinlit, and we're also going to use this piece from the Circle Thinlit. This is actually the 5th one from the center, and we are going to put some white cardstock under this one, cutting pad on the top, and again through the big shot. Take that piece and that one. So we're going to take, this is Bermuda Bay, and I will tell you this is Strawberry Slush. Now this is actually retired, but you can use, this is a little tip. you take a piece of designer paper and you see what colors are in the designer paper, and then you just match your cardstock to the colors in the designer paper. So whatever you have on hand, just match that up with the cardstock colors and you have a coordinated card. Okay, so with this one we're using the Bermuda Bay, and you can use any adhesive that you want. I'm just going to use some of the Tombow, maybe. Actually, I'm not going to use some of the Tombow. I'm going to use some of my snail adhesive. I'm going to attach this here. I'm going to use crushed curry and my 1 3/4 inch circle punch for the next layer. And then I am going to use my 1 3/8 inch circle punch, my stamp from the Amazing Birthday set. It's a little birthday cake here. Again, my Retired Strawberry Slush, but again, let me reinforce that you can use any colors on this project that you want. Okay, a little piece of cardstock. This is Whisper White cardstock that I'm stamping on. I'm going to take my 1 3/8 inch circle punch to punch that out. And layer that, and you could pop this up if you want, just sort of making this nice and easy. Okay, and then we're going to get our designer paper, and this piece of designer paper measures 2 3/8 by 5 1/4. Put that right here. Now you could also follow this up by putting the same size piece of Whisper White in the side over here to make it more presentable to write on. I'm not going to do that right now, but then I'm also going to take another stamp from the Amazing Birthday and my Bermuda Bay ink, and I am going to stamp on this 2-inch circle that I punched out with my 2-inch circle punch. I am going to put this on the back side of my circle here. Now you could also put some extra texture on here with an embossing folder, or just some small stars or candles, whatever you might like. I'm going to leave that very simple today and not decorate it. I'm also going to show you another card that I made using this same design with the little forget what this was called, Happy Birthday Buddy or Little Birthday Buddy, I'm not sure which. It was from last year's catalog, and so basically it's this same type of card. So you can sort of see that you can do, change things up really easy. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for stopping in today, and have a wonderful day. Again, my name is Carolyn Service with o2bstampin.com. Hope you'll visit my blog.